Once upon a time, in the lush, green jungle, there lived a little monkey named Mamba. Mamba was not your ordinary monkey. She had a special talent. She could mimic the sounds of the jungle perfectly. One day, Mamba heard a peculiar noise she had never heard before. It was soft, yet it seemed to be in distress. Mamba's heart filled with concern, and she decided to investigate. She followed the sound, jumping from tree to tree, her curiosity piqued. As she got closer, she found a tiny, lost baby owl, huddled under a bush, scared and alone. "Oh, dear little owl," Mamba cooed, her heart melting. "You're all alone and scared. Don't worry, I'll help you find your family." With the baby owl in her arms, Mamba started her journey through the jungle, asking every animal she met if they had seen the owl's family. The animals were kind and helpful, guiding her in the right direction. After a long day, they finally reached a nest high up in a tall tree. The baby owl's family had been waiting for him, their little one missing dearly. Mamba was hailed as a hero, and the baby owl was reunited with his family, safe and sound. From that day forward, Mamba became known as the brave little monkey who helped the lost owl. And every night, as the jungle slept, Mamba would hear the soft hoots of the owls, a reminder of the friendship she had made. And so, the story of Mamba the brave and kind monkey spread, teaching all the animals of the jungle that helping others can bring the most beautiful friendships.